Is microwave cooking safe for dorms? Are you a college student wondering if microwave cooking is safe in your dorm? You're not alone. Many students relying on microwaves for quick meals, but it's important to know the safety guidelines. Let's break it down. First, most colleges and universities allow microwaves in dorm rooms because they are compact and convenient. They are generally safer than other cooking appliances that have exposed heating elements. However, each school has its own rules about the size and wattage of microwaves allowed. Always check your dormitory regulations before bringing one in. Next, fire safety is a key consideration. While microwaves are safer than many cooking devices, improper use can lead to accidents. For example, never leave a microwave unattended while in use. Avoid heating items that are not microwave safe, like metal containers, as they can cause sparks. Always use a microwave that is in good condition to minimize risks. Another important aspect is electrical load management. Dorm rooms often share limited electrical circuits among many devices. Using a microwave can sometimes reduce the power available for other equipment. This could lead to the microwave not working properly or tripping breakers. It's wise to be mindful of how many devices you are using at once. Keeping your microwave clean is essential for both hygiene and performance. Food splatters can lead to unpleasant smells and even attract pests. If you share a microwave with roommates, make sure everyone cleans up after using it. This helps maintain a clean and safe cooking environment. From a health perspective, microwaves can support better eating habits. They allow you to prepare or reheat nutritious meals quickly, which is a great alternative to relying solely on dining halls or fast food. Many colleges encourage students to use microwaves alongside mini refrigerators to store and prepare balanced meals. Microwaves are versatile appliances. They can do more than just reheat leftovers. You can cook simple dishes like steamed vegetables, rice, and even eggs. With microwave-safe cookware, you can whip up a variety of meals that fit your dietary needs. In summary, microwave cooking is generally safe for dorms when you follow your college's guidelines and use the appliance responsibly. Always check the specific rules for your dorm, use the microwave correctly, and keep it clean. This way, you can enjoy the convenience of microwave cooking while staying safe and healthy in your college journey.